Hey guys, welcome back to FAQ Friday. I appreciate you guys jumping on, hanging out with us, spend a little bit of time with Adela and I, and we are going to specifically talk about tax tips for entrepreneurs and business owners, right? I think last time previously we recorded something about just general tax strategies, right? But today we're going to get specifically for those of you out there that are business owners and entrepreneurs.
That's right.
So the first one we're going to talk about, is it my turn?
Yes.
Okay. So the first one we're going to talk about is called a simplified employee pension IRA account, right? So what does that mean? For short, it's called a SEP IRA. And all that really is, it's an account that as a business owner, as long as you got your tax ID number, as long as you got your tax ID number, you can put into this retirement account 66,000
5%
or 25% of your income, right?
Whichever is less.
Whichever one is less. So it's great if you think about it, because one of the things we always talk about as entrepreneurs, I've been an entrepreneur for over 20 years. One of the things we always talk about as entrepreneurs is, I want to get all my deductions, write everything off. But if you're a successful entrepreneur, you probably have a nice pot of money that's still left over that you still got to claim on your taxes.
Right.
This is where the SEP IRA kicks in. Now, if you have, $100,000 after your deductions that you're still showing, well, 25% of that, which is 25 grand, can go into your SEP IRA.
Now reduces it.
Now you only get taxed on the 75 instead of the full 100.
That's right.
So it's pretty powerful.
Yeah.
I hope you guys understood. I hope I shared it correctly, but I hope you guys understood that. But my honey is going to share a couple other things that she can help you guys out with.
Yeah. So if you have more than 5 employees, you can also do a simple IRA. The simple IRA is an easy, most similar to a 401k without all the fees. And so it's really great to implement something. It allows you to attract talent. It allows you to have them participate in a plan while you match as well. So you can elect a traditional, simple structure where it's 1 or 2% or even up to 3%, or you can do a safe harbor where you just elect 2% clear across the board. Everybody gets a plan. So if you have 10 employees and you're also the 11th employee, everybody has to participate, right? Whether they contribute or not, it's irregardless. You as a business owner still have to participate into the plan and match them. But it's a great way, like I said, because you as a business owner get the deduction because you're contributing to their plan. But it also, again, incentivizes them, your employees, to participate in a plan as well.
Didn't we just do one of those this last?
Right.
We just did one. Yeah, we just did one last Saturday. He was a friend of ours in Glendale. He owns a business. He had 15 employees. So we set them all up on a simple account, simple IRAs. The cool part is that now as a business owner, he gets tax deductions.
That's right, 3%, right? I'll clear across board based off of their compensation. So if they get paid weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, they get to participate in that plan.
And not only that, it helps with employee retention.
That's right.
Right. So those 15 employees that he has, now they feel like they have some kind of like a vested interest, a vested future now that they have a retirement plan. So it also helps. Yeah, you're going to get tax deductions and it's going to help you out as a business owner, and there is no fees, but it also helps out with employee retention.
That's right. Now, if you're in a position where you have 100 employees, now you're talking about a 401k. There's different options within the 401k umbrella, but the traditional ones are obviously through management fees and setting up those plans and having, different mutual funds and stocks and stuff to participate in. And so that is also an option. But if you're a solo entrepreneur, oftentimes the SEP IRA is ideal. If you have a couple more employees, obviously more than 5, then a simple will do the plan, because you can contribute up to $15,500. So a little bit less than a 401k, but it's really great. Like I said, because of the fees, there's no major fees associated to that plan.
What about key person insurance?
Thank you. So just what I wanted to share with you is key person insurance, right? It's a deduction. You as the business owner, you are vital to your organization.
Yes.
And so without you in the picture, it's so important to have something taken care of. So if you're a solo entrepreneur, you have employees underneath you, you had an assistant or whatever, you are so vital. And so having a key person insurance in place is so critical.
It keeps it very simple like this. She obviously is a major part of Arrive Financial. We need each other to keep the business going, right? I take out a ginormous policy on her, fat, right? This way, if she was to ever be gone, I could cash out. I could cash out, right? She is a key person of Arrive Financial, but on top of that,
Right.
the premium that I'm paying to make sure that she is covered is a tax deduction as well.
That's right.
A lot of times we forget about that part, but it's a huge deduction.
It's an expense. And
Yeah.
so it's a K-1 deduction. So if you're an attorney's office, a doctor's office, if you have a mom and pop shop, all these different things fall within that plan to look at getting key person insurance. So
Yeah.
whether it's permanent life insurance or a term, it's so critical to look at that.
So I hope you guys got value out of today. Again, this is tax tips
That's right.
for business owners and entrepreneurs specifically. So where can you find us? Well, you can go to YouTube and look up Arrive Financial, subscribe, smash that subscribe. You can go to TikTok. You can go to
Instagram.
Instagram,
right.
look up Arrive Financial. And you can go to Facebook and look up Arrive Financial and Insurance Services and find us there. Or you can go to our website, www.arrivefinancialservices.com, or even call our office, 661-636-6862. We'll see you guys next Friday.